Hello everyone and welcome. In this video, we'll show you how conemis Transition Cloud manages and accelerates the complex migration of both metadata and data from Siebel to Salesforce Sales Cloud. We'll walk you through the key components of conemis Transition Cloud, a complete, ready-to-use platform that guides your migration team through every step from start to finish with full collaboration built in. But first, let me give you a quick picture of what conemis Transition Cloud actually is. Think of CTC as your collaborative migration control center. Everything your team needs to plan, execute, and track a migration lives in one place. No blind spots, no silos, and full visibility at every stage. CTC offers a zero-code, end-to-end migration path built to handle migrations of any size and complexity, including in highly regulated industries where security and compliance are non-negotiable. For organizations with strict data security requirements, CTC can be deployed entirely within your own infrastructure, giving you complete control over who accesses what and where your data lives. It comes with ready-made connectors for the most common enterprise systems, including Siebel, automates the heavy lifting that would otherwise fall on your team, and embeds proven best practices directly into the platform. The result: faster migrations, fewer risks, and a smoother experience from day one. Now let me take you through the different modules of CTC. Every successful migration starts with a clear and precise understanding your legacy system, in this case your Siebel environment. The Readiness Assessment module gives you exactly that in a single click. It scans your Siebel environment and instantly surfaces everything your team needs to scope the migration: record counts, custom objects and fields, attachment volumes, and a high-level view of data quality, giving you a clear, confident answer to the most important question: what needs to move, what should be archived, and what can simply be left behind. Once the scope is defined and signed off, the real journey begins. Before moving any business data, the target system needs to be properly configured to receive it. This is where CTC's metadata migration capability becomes a key accelerator. CTC automatically performs a fit gap analysis between your source and target systems, identifying fields, custom objects, and pick lists that exist in Siebel but are missing in Salesforce. These can then be transferred and created in the target system seamlessly without any manual coding. We select the objects, map the fields, manually here since we only have 4, though auto-matching handles larger volumes in seconds, and hit Start. Once the status shows success, those fields are live in Salesforce. Clean, fast, and no IT ticket required. With the target system ready, it's time to move the business data. Rather than writing SQL queries for every export, CTC's extract definitions let you simply select the business objects you need and pull the data directly from Siebel automatically. No scripting, no guesswork. Once extracted, the data loads into Salesforce with a few clicks. The import history gives you a real-time view of every running job, and the log statistics break down exactly how many records were imported, updated, or failed, with error types clearly categorized so nothing gets lost in the noise. And if records do fail, CTC lets you rerun the load for failed records only, saving significant time and keeping your team focused on resolution rather than repetition. The result: account and contact records successfully created in Salesforce, complete with all their relationships intact. Migration isn't just a technical exercise of moving data from A to B. It's a program that leadership needs to trust and track. So let's step out of the engine room and onto the bridge. The performance cockpit gives project teams and executive stakeholders a real-time view of migration progress. Every activity is tracked, monitored, and presented in a clear dashboard, so there are no surprises and everyone can make decisions with confidence at every stage. Thank you for watching. Moving from Siebel is one of the most challenging migrations in the enterprise IT field. It requires the right tooling, the right methodology, and real expertise. We've been specializing in exactly this field for over 15 years, with a proven track record of highly satisfied clients across the globe and across industries. As you've seen, conemis Transition Cloud takes that complexity and turns it into a structured, automated, and transparent journey, so your team can move forward with speed and confidence.